Hey guys, really quick, I just wanted to. This is kind of like a part two of the video where I broke down. This is the actual portfolio that I used to actually get jobs in a lot of interviews back in the day, and it'll still work right now. If you this video is just going to show you the about video that I placed in the about me section here for the portfolio for like employers to learn about me in real time on video and to me to explain what I do, what I know. Adding video, guys, to your portfolio, having an online presence, like I always tell you guys, is super important. So please, this is just again, we're gonna cut to just the video that's gonna be embedded on the page here, introducing myself and talking to a prospective employer or whatnot, just so you guys can get an example of like, okay, like what do I say to these people? And guys, if you want more stuff like this, I'm not going to post too much stuff like this because I want to keep it most of it in the premium course. If you want more stuff like this, we have whole sections at the end of the complete web developer course of how to make money, how to get a 9 to 5 job if you want to do that, how to freelance, how to find freelancing clients, how to make a portfolio for either freelancing or 9 to 5. It's going to be two different portfolios. The one that you're seeing now is a 9 to 5 job portfolio, but there's a whole different one that you would make for freelancing, how to make money like me as an entrepreneur, build your own brand, make courses. You can make themes for like WordPress, HTML themes for people to buy, just digital products. There's tons of things you can do that we talk about that there. If you want more info on this, guys, check out the complete web developer course. Even if you don't want to learn the JavaScript and the HTML and the PHP and all that, if you don't want to learn that from me, but you at least want the nuggets on how to make money. So 1, 2, see 6, 9, 10 videos and counting, because I always update this with more content. If you want those at least 10 videos just telling you what exactly to do to get a job from somebody who's actually done it before, at least, it's worth if you want to just spend the $20 a month to at least get those 10 videos and that knowledge. And then as soon as you watch them and implement what I said, just cancel it. Like, it's not a big deal. But yeah, if you want more of those little nuggets, man, check this whole section out. This will save you a ton of time in trying to get paid and actually get a job. All right, guys, so we're going to cut now to the video that's going to be on my About page. And then also, I just made a video and posted it. You can go watch that as well, and I'll post the link in the description, breaking down the whole portfolio in its entirety, telling you why I place stuff where, how to display your projects, and stuff like that. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick. Welcome to my portfolio. I'm a full stack web developer. As you can see from my portfolio here, I have experience in multiple different technologies, and I specialize in full stack PHP and WordPress web development. As you can see, I do have some experience here with freelance clients freelancing. I also have experience doing professional WordPress builds for smaller agencies. I also am an entrepreneur. I have my own platform and course, the Complete Web Developer course, where I teach my students full stack PHP web development. This is the landing page here if you'd like to view it. When you click it, this landing page is actually generating me hundreds of dollars in revenue in the last couple of months, and my platform is continuing to grow. Doing this type of work as an entrepreneur has really taught me how to ship products on time, stay focused, get the project done, get the MVP shipped out there as fast as possible to, start getting users and feedback, which is really nice. I also have my YouTube channel here for the company for Practical Web Dev, the name of my company that teaches other web developers, aspiring web developers, how to code, starting with just basic HTML, CSS, then I teach JavaScript and some PHP here. And then, of course, if they'd like to sign up for the professional course that I have, they can go ahead and do that. So far, I've helped over 40,000 developers, 40,500 developers and counting, learn the basics of web development and how to, hopefully get a job, right? You'll notice on my portfolio that for the projects here, they all have this watch me build button, or at least most of them do. So if you'd like to go ahead and watch me work in real time and see how I break down designs, build something from scratch, add the programming, add the JavaScript, add PHP, go ahead and click on this, and it'll bring you to the actual video of me building this on YouTube. If you have any other questions, of course, you can email me by clicking the email button down here on my portfolio. I also have the email on my resume that I sent you. You can view my LinkedIn and my GitHub to see my code repositories. And I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.